bana abantu betunywa nabo for us tubera tulowooza be bakwano baffe.
Kankubuuza ekibuuzo.
Bw'ofuna
without a bottle, what value do they add on you?
Now that is where I was coming.
Not to say that because you have to say
kuba kibeerawo kibeera nti, and I'm bringing this because
in context,
so many people out there tuyina kati waliwo abantu kati for example nga wala abakadaama kababeere bano abasama ndi bweru bava ku mulimu naga kangene positioning emukko wali nasangawo bannayuganda banne maybe ali homesick ne bakwatagana ne bakola ki oli nalowooza abo bakwano bange then ogenda owulira yampiseemu ye yandopye nti siina bipapula okitee kati wano e Kampala bonyuka wano omaze kati ngaffe tukola wano me I think after work the people I talk to is Ruth gwenjogera naye nti ye nsobola omukubira ewaka abaana bali batya kasuku omuwala wo omuguliddeyo kano biki obitegeera ebyo the rest twesanga wano halo but of course Ruth is married sigenda tura naye kunywa naye bia kati waliwo ate abantu bange bensisinkana ne tutuula ne tulyamu ne tunywamu but you know when you get to sit down towards the end of the year I was honestly sitting down there and thinking, I'm like, but you know, I even don't know this guy's other name.
That's it. You don't even know where they stay.
You don't even know where they yes.
Bange mu meeting nga munywa mbozi bide zibagatta. Politics na sports.
Yes.
Nothing more.
Kyamagero kwa bipanyi.
Wali kibagatta kisinga kawo. Abantu abakutula deal ez'amaanyi, the biggest deals across the globe are sealed with a cup of coffee.
Not a beer.
Not a beer. Think about it. All business people, can we have lunch? Can we have coffee? Deals are being sealed. Fe tulimo John Walker bottle ku bottle. It's not bad to drink. Bobonywa n'abantu abanga balina value gye bagatta konze nkugambye kwata the core reason as to why you meet. Unplug it. See if there is value again. If there is value, galvanize it, jinyweze, scale it up. If it's not there, let it go. Let it go. Fetulina gym tukolera muri mu gym. Ne mu gym ya there is value. Nti abantu tukona bo gym ku Africa nawo. Twechalya mu business ezenjawulo. Ona akoze kino na guddewo kino. There is a critical business layer to our gymming. It's not just we come and gym and we go, no. There is value to that. Ekyo kitugatta health-wise and business-wise. Mwabanywa ekibagatta mupiira na politics. Those are conversations you can have all year through.
So where